Hello students, today we will learn about Peninsular Plateau. What is peninsula? A piece of land bounded by water on three sides. For example, India is bounded by Arabian Sea in the west, Bay of Bengal in east, and by Indian Ocean in the south. What is plateau? It is a tableland made up of old crystalline, igneous and metamorphic rocks. The plateau has broad and shallow valleys and rounded hills. Let's know more about Peninsular Plateau. It is the oldest landmass. It is a tableland composed of old crystalline, igneous and metamorphic rocks. It is formed due to the breaking and drifting of Gondwana land. It lies to the south of Northern Plains. It is storehouse of minerals. Black soil is found here, which is best suited for the growth of cotton. Peninsular Plateau can be divided into two parts, the Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau. The Central Highland is further divided as Malwa Plateau, Bundelkhand, the Baghelkhand and Chota Nagpur Plateau. Deccan Plateau is divided in Deccan Trap, Western Ghat, Eastern Ghat and Northeast Extension. See the location of parts of Central Highland and Deccan Plateau on map of India. Let's know more about Central Highlands. The upper part of Peninsular Plateau is called Central Highland. It is bounded by Aravalli Hills in west and by Satpura Range in south. The average height of Central Highland is 600 to 900 meters. It has been covered by longitudinal sand ridges and crescent-shaped sand dunes called barkhans. Malwa Plateau is situated between Aravalli Hills and Vindhyachal. It covers an area of 81,767 square kilometer. Average height is 500 meter and the landscape slopes downwards towards the north and northeast. The Chambal River and its tributaries drain most of the Malwa Plateau. Important cities located in Malwa Plateau are Indore, Bhopal, Ujjain, Sagar, Ratlam and Devas, etc. Bundelkhand is also part of Central Highland. It is located to east of Malwa Plateau. Northern part of Bundelkhand almost lies in Uttar Pradesh and the area is about 70,000 square kilometer. Third part of Chota Nagpur Plateau is the Baghelkhand. It is located to the east of Bundelkhand Plateau. The Baghelkhand is a region of central India in northeastern Madhya Pradesh and adjacent southern part of Uttar Pradesh. The total area covered by Baghelkhand is 14,323 square meters. The fourth part of Central Highland is known as Chota Nagpur Plateau. It is in eastern India which covers most of Jharkhand state as well as some parts of Odisha, West Bengal, Bihar and Chhattisgarh. This is known as storehouse of minerals. The southern part of Peninsular Plateau is known as Deccan Plateau. It is triangular in shape and most of the states of south are part of Deccan Plateau. The Deccan Plateau is bordered by Western Ghat in west and Eastern Ghats in the east. The average height of Deccan Plateau is 1500 meter with the height increasing from north to south. Anaimudi 2,695 meter is the highest peak of Peninsular Plateau. On the Annamalai Hills of Western Ghats, followed by Doda Beta on the Nilgiri Hills. The Deccan Trap is part of Deccan Plateau. The term trap used in geology for such rock formation is derived from the Dutch word for stairs, referring to the step-like hills forming the landscape of region. Maharashtra, parts of Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh form part of Deccan Trap. The area is rich in black soil. The next part of Deccan Plateau is its northeast extension. Today, the northeastern plateaus are detached from the main peninsular plateau. This area receives maximum rainfall from southwest monsoon. Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats forms the boundary of Deccan Plateau respectively in west and east. Western Ghats are continuous while Eastern Ghats are dissected by rivers. The average height of Western Ghat is 900 to 1600 meters. On the other hand, average elevation of Eastern Ghat is 600 meters. The Anaimudi is the highest peak which lies in Western Ghat, and Mahendragiri is the highest peak of Eastern Ghat. Few more major differences between Western Ghat and Eastern Ghats are given in the slide. This was all about Peninsular Plateau. Thank you.